It's November, the perfect time to cozy up with a tasty soup recipe. And today, Howard shows us how to make a roasted harvest squash soup in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If you've been to the market lately, it's pretty obvious that our fall produce is at its peak. And when it comes to a favorite, I would have to say that I love just about any kind of squash. There's a load of them, but let me show you a few. This is an acorn squash. It gets its name since it's shaped like an acorn. As you can see, the outside is dark green and it's got some patches of orange. On the inside, the flesh is a light creamy orange. These turban-shaped ones are known as buttercup squash. Once they're cut, they smell like a fragrant cucumber. As for their taste, they're very mild and sweeter than most other squash. Now for the granddaddy of them all, the butternut squash. They're easily recognized by their tan skin and their distinct bell shape. All of these are great to roast in our oven, saute in a skillet, or steam or boil on our stovetop. And if you love soup, you're going to love how warm and cozy a bowl of our roasted harvest squash soup makes you feel. To get the recipe, all you have to do is visit our website. Your taste buds will be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a superb way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
And if you'd actually like to see how to make it, all you have to do is go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. You can find that recipe and a lot of other tasty soup recipes as well. Here's a look at our 4 state market prices.